What if the definition of power and luxury has just changed forever? What if one SUV could redefine strength, style, and dominance in a single moment? Today, we take the first look at the 2026 Mercedes G-Wagon, the all-new luxury off-road beast with insane power and design. But wait, what you're about to see may change how you view SUVs forever. From the first glance, the 2026 G-Wagon demands respect. The boxy silhouette remains iconic, but the body now looks sharper, wider, and more confident than ever. Every angle feels like a statement of authority. But wait until you see how Mercedes redesigned the exterior to blend elegance and rugged toughness. Stay tuned for more. A bold new grille, redesigned LED headlights, muscular fenders, and premium wheels transform the G-Wagon into a modern powerhouse. The raised ride height and reinforced bumpers signal real off-road purpose. Even the rear lights are sharper and more aggressive. But wait, the biggest shock happens inside. Coming next, the interior will leave you speechless. Open the door and everything changes. The cabin surrounds you with soft leather, ambient lighting, and a futuristic dual-screen layout that feels both luxurious and commanding. It feels like stepping into a high-tech fortress of comfort. But wait until you see the features designed to elevate every ride to a new level. Don't miss what comes next. Digital displays, wireless tech, advanced sound system, heated and ventilated seats, and customizable driving modes come together to create a first-class experience. And if you love SUVs, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. But wait, the most impressive part of the G-Wagon hides under the hood. Underneath the bold exterior lies a powertrain built for domination. The 2026 G-Wagon delivers massive torque, rapid response, and improved efficiency to match modern expectations. The hybrid-ready architecture boosts power while reducing fuel consumption. But wait, specs alone don't tell the full story. Coming next is how it performs in the real world. On the road and on the trail, the G-Wagon feels unstoppable. Acceleration is instant, handling remains stable, and the suspension absorbs rough terrain without losing refinement. From city streets to mountain climbs, it adapts effortlessly. But stay tuned, because the price reveal might be the biggest surprise in this entire video. Everyone is asking the same question. How much will the all-new G-Wagon cost? Mercedes plans pricing that positions it aggressively in the luxury and off-road segment, bringing value no rival can match. Stay tuned, because the price may shock you and could reshape the premium SUV market around the world. The G-Wagon has always stood for power, prestige, and adventure. From military heritage to luxury icon, it evolved with the world while never losing its identity. But this 2026 model marks its boldest transformation ever. Don't miss the final moment, because what this SUV represents goes beyond numbers and aesthetics. If this is the future of off-road luxury, then the journey ahead looks incredible. The 2026 Mercedes G-Wagon proves that strength, comfort, and technology can exist in perfect harmony. If you love SUVs, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. Thank you for watching. The next era of driving begins now.